Wow, it's finally happening. Memory prices are finally beginning to fall. Yes, that's right, after reaching completely unprecedented levels, memory prices are starting to at least somewhat return to normal. Well, okay, they're not there yet, but in the US they've already fallen by as much as 20%, which is at least some progress. But why? What exactly brought it on? Well, a couple of factors. Apart from just the fact that any sudden price increases usually end up in some sort of correction at some point, there have also been two major news stories that have further impacted it. Starting off with companies like OpenAI ditching many of their deals to purchase memory. Well, okay, they were never really deals to begin with, rather just letters of intent that they do indeed want to purchase a lot of memory from someone like Micron, for example, only for Sam Altman to then turn around and say psych, and as a result the expected demand for memory and Micron's stock price have reacted accordingly. So these kind of situations, which have been becoming a bit more common, is just part of the equation. The other part is Google TurboQuant, a brand new compression method that Google has recently announced that they say can compress AI workload memory usage by up to 6 times, meaning that AI data centers will need just a fraction of the RAM that they use right now. Now, obviously, it's still going to take some time until it's fully launched and companies actually start to implement it, but it shows that long-term investments in so much memory clearly are necessary when they can just get away with using TurboQuant from Google, which, by the way, I'd say that if you are any of the guys from Google that worked on this, I'll probably lay low for a while because I'm pretty sure those memory manufacturers will be out for blood. If you're not careful, they're going to find you in an alley somewhere with 2 sticks of DDR2 poking out of your back. And as a result of all of this, stockpilers who have been buying as much memory as possible to then resell are starting to panic, given exactly how much the prices are already dropping. And while prices have not fallen to pre-AI craze levels, they are at least slowly getting there because the companies that manufacture this stuff have realized that, well, the regular consumers aren't buying it because the prices are so high, and now also the AI companies aren't buying it as well. But I want to hear your guesses. How much longer do you think it's going to take for the prices to return to normal completely? Well, let me know down in the comments below, and while you're at it, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus, your trainings to Gavin Burns, Justin Ray, Jello Roniak, Bartosz Rokem, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.